video we will see what is the relation between the Levi-Civita and canonical data function. Levi-Civita symbol is third order tensor. Now epsilon I j k epsilon p q r is equal to determinant delta ip delta iq delta ir delta jp delta jq delta jr delta kp delta kq delta kr, which is equal to delta ip multiplied by delta jq delta kr minus delta jr delta kq minus delta iq multiplied by delta jp delta kr minus delta jr delta kp plus delta ir multiplied by delta jp delta kq minus delta kp delta jq. This is equal to delta ip delta jq delta kr minus delta ip delta jr delta kq minus delta iq delta jp delta kr plus delta iq delta jr delta kp plus delta ir delta jp delta kq minus delta ir delta kp delta jq. If k is equal to r, then this becomes epsilon I j k epsilon p q k is equal to delta ip delta jq delta kk minus delta ip delta jk delta kq minus delta iq delta jp delta kk plus delta iq delta jk delta kp plus delta ik delta jp delta kq minus delta ik delta kp delta jq. We know delta kk is equal to delta 11 plus delta 22 plus delta 33, and we also know delta ij is equal to 1 when I is equal to j and is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. So delta kk is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. We also know delta ij delta ik is equal to delta jk. So this term is equal to 3 and these two term is equal to delta jq, and this also give us 3, and this term is equal to delta jp, and these two term is equal to delta iq, and these two term is equal to delta ip. So epsilon I j k epsilon p q k is equal to 3 delta ip delta j q minus delta ip delta j q minus delta I q delta j p 3 plus delta iq delta j p plus delta j p delta iq minus delta ip delta j q. This term and this term give us delta ip delta jq. This term and this term give us minus delta iq delta jp. So epsilon I j q epsilon p q k is equal to delta ip delta jq minus delta iq delta jp. If j is equal to q, then epsilon I j k epsilon p j k is equal to delta ip delta jj minus delta I j delta jp. Again this term is equal to 3 and these two term is equal to delta ip. So 3 delta ip minus delta ip is equal to 2 delta ip. If I is equal to p, then epsilon I j k epsilon I j k is equal to 2 delta ii. Again delta ii is equal to 3, so 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6.